Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new Fine-Tune mode of Advisor 5.0. Advisor 5.0 Fine-Tune tab is an enhancement to the good old calculator tool. The Fine-Tune tab is located right next to the Plan tab and is available once you have selected a polished stone plan. When entering the new mode, you can notice several improvements that have been made in this feature. First, we have added a few proportions into each shape, so you can now manually change additional proportions after the planning which were not available in the past. For example, secondary facet angles. The second thing which was added is the borderline warnings and indications mechanism. This alerts the user in case the stone proportions are on the border of the cut grade. The borderline indicators appear both when the proportion can be downgraded or upgraded by a single facet belt modification. The plus and the minus buttons have three colors. Red indicates that by changing the specific proportion, the cut grade will degrade. Green indicates a chance to improve the cut grade. And blue means that you are not close to a borderline value. In the following case, I have planned a round excellent GIA stone. As you can see, I have a red indication on several proportions. If I increase the girdle thickness, for example, the stone cut grade will be downgraded to very good. Now there is a green indication in the girdle thickness and in the total depth proportions. If I modify one of these proportions, the cut grade will bounce back to excellent. The Fine toolbar located on the bottom part of the screen contains several options. The Undo button reverses the last action you performed. The Redo button redoes the last undo action. The Reset button enables you to return to the original planning state before any changes were made. In many cases, when modifying the shape proportions, the polish extends outside the rough. Clicking on the Plan Polish button will plan the stone again and optimize it to the rough while maintaining the proportions given by the user. For example, if I increase the stone total depth to 65%, you can see I get a red color indication, which means that the stone extends outside the rough. I will click on the Plan Polish button. And as you can see, I get a new result which does not extend outside the rough, but has the same total depth of 65%. The Save Result button adds the new result to the result list and returns the view back to planning mode. This is the Plan Parallel facet. It is relevant only for asymmetric planning. For more information, you can watch the Asymmetric Calculator tutorial. This is the Lock-in Rough button. Once the rough is locked, it won't allow modification of proportions, which will cause the polish to extend outside the rough. Thanks for watching this tutorial.